Alright, so it's an immense pleasure for me because we have someone from the family of Apti Plus who has definitely made us proud, as we know that we stand as the most trusted institute for preparation of civil services in Eastern India, and here we have a proud student, Mr. Ankur Abhilash, who has secured rank 2 in OAS 2019. So first of all, a heartiest welcome and congratulations, and thank you for making us proud and making sure that you hold this position for all of us.
Thank you, ma'am. The honor is all mine.
Well, first of all, congratulations, and we would definitely like to know some insights of your journey, your strategies for preparation of OAS, of course.
Ma'am, my journey for OAS was an integrated one along with UPSC. So the preparation for UPSC definitely helped for clearing this particular exam. And simultaneously, as I was a working professional with Steel Authority of India Limited, so Apti Plus helped me in a way to streamline my preparation process for the civil services.
Alright, as I know that every student has their own strategy to clear the prelims and mains. So what was your strategy? How did you nail it?
Ma'am, the preparation has to be an integrated one. You cannot prepare in silos, but during the last 2 months, definitely need to focus more on prelims, go through the previous year questions, and go through the questions that are being provided by various coaching institutes, Apti Plus being one amongst them. And you need to self-evaluate, of course, so that you can have a course correction strategy as well. And for mains, if since OPSC has this thing of having 2 optionals, so you need to focus more on the optionals because they can make or break your rank. So that was my strategy.
Alright, so I guess this definitely would have given the aspirants a lot more hints. Moving ahead to my next question, whenever we write an answer, there has to be a crisp start and a very precise end. So what do you suggest for the students? How do they start writing the mains answer?
The mains process has to be started by reading the newspaper first, of course. You can have good dailies that come into the picture like the Hindu or the Indian Express.
Right.
And then when you start your answer writing practice, like Apti Plus has their own dedicated daily answer writing practice thing. And then when you start your answer writing, we need to concentrate that the introduction has to be short and crisp, and the conclusion has to be on a positive note. So that because you are going to be part of a system which faces various problems and you need to provide solutions to them. So the conclusion has to be along a way forward path with a positive note.
Alright, so that was wonderful. Now moving ahead, as you've been part of Apti Plus family and you already mentioned it's very important to resolve and solve all the different sample questions that we get. So how did you find Apti Plus study material in order your preparation journey?
They are amongst one of the leading coaching institutes for civil services examinations, and they have improved their output vastly since the last time that I had met them. They are at par with some of the best coaching institutes, and I would advise the aspirants to religiously follow the daily practice tests as well as the weekly and monthly tests that they provide on the website. Enroll for a test series if possible, and then you can evaluate. The mentors will be there at Apti Plus who will handhold you on a journey for civil services preparation.
Alright, so grinding you with a lot of questions, here comes my last question for you. That is, as I mentioned about your strategies, about the study material, but what is that personal touch that every student, every candidate needs within himself or herself to crack the examination?
This exam is unique in a lot of ways because of the long duration process of this whole exam. It takes almost 1.5 years to complete the whole process. And so sometimes the mental strength can be tested of various candidates. But we need to focus that when you get into this job, even then your mental strength will be tested at each and every step. So mental stability, mental peace, and channelizing your inner energy towards some of the more positive things, aspects of life would be helpful apart from preparing for civil services.
Well, Ankur, there's always a start and there's always a vision where we dream of acquiring and achieving what we intend to. So when was this dream of yours that I want to crack this examination?
The dream of getting into administration was there since my school days,
Right.
but the proper focus came into being when I joined Steel Authority of India Limited, and then I got to know about various people amongst the SAIL fraternity who had cracked various administrative exams.
Right.
So that gave me a push to prepare for the civil services exams in general.
And during the process, as we know, it's a very difficult process. You might have come across failures, and as I came to know about, you have sat for n number of times for UPSC exam, but that didn't turn out well. So was at a point that you got demotivated or stressed within yourself, and how did you cope up with it?
So I have appeared for UPSC Civil Services interview 3 times, and so that was a motivation in itself that at least UPSC considers me worthy to call for the interview process. But every time for 3 months, 4 months, I could not make it to the final list. So at that point, last year in fact, so I decided to take the plunge for OPSC, and since my preparation was good for UPSC, at least for mains level, and I needed to brush up some of the concepts for the state level exam for interview. So I could sail through, I can say that.
So you never gave up in the journey.
No.
So we cannot quit, right? We are in the field where we cannot quit.
Until the age permits you, 32 and the number of attempts, we should give our all. And one bit of advice that I would like to give aspirants, say you are preparing for an exam which is as strenuous as the civil services exam. I would suggest that you give 2 attempts if without taking up a job. But if after 2 attempts you are not getting success, and it is advisable that you get into a job first, so that you have a financial stability and simultaneously prepare for civil services exam.
Right. Alright, so that was a wonderful answer. I would say keeping in pace with the mental health is something which is very important. It was an absolute delight to have you, Ankur, with us, and we hope for a great future of yours. And do not forget Apti Plus because the roots are here. Thank you so much for being a part of us and giving us your valuable time. Thank you.